What if I told you that all you needed right now are 2 websites to earn $270 again and again? Well, that would be a lie. But relax, that's only because you would actually need to do one more thing in order to begin earning that much with these websites. In today's video, I'm going to show you one never discussed websites on this channel and one extra platform I have talked about before on how to make money online. Although not mobile apps, these websites can work both on a desktop and mobile browser, requiring you only to log on and start earning immediately. You can really just use your smartphone to perform some simple tasks and earn a couple $2 here and $5 there, and in no time, you would stack up to $270. And you can go ahead to repeat the process again and again. How amazing is that? Payments on these platforms are made through bank transfers, PayPal Cash, and gift cards, all completely free of transfer charges. And what's better, these websites and apps are available in every part of the world. So pay attention and watch carefully as I teach you all about these 2 websites to earn $270 again. It might sound like a broken record here, but this very site is an amazing one to make real money online, and all you would have to do is complete a few little tasks. Tasks like giving a thumbs up on a Facebook post, watching a YouTube video, retweeting a tweet, or even just signing up to a website. If you're an avid viewer of Make Money Olivia, there's one thing you should know I usually say. In whatever it is you're doing, you should know that you would only get paid for giving out value. There must be something so valuable about whatever you're doing that someone is willing to pay you for it. In the case of Sprout Gigs, I explained in this video right here that you would get paid by people around the world for basically engaging in tasks that requires public involvement. Click on this link in the top right to learn a bit more about Sprout Gigs, as well as 3 other amazing microsites that can earn you real money online today. Sprout Gigs is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy-to-do affordable tasks. This amazing one is also currently operating with active members in over 250 different countries and territories. Going through the page, we see that you can get these micro jobs done in minutes and get paid fast. And these are simple jobs too. For example, testing an app, helping promote content, data collection, and many others. Sprout Gigs also has survey and daily offers money-making opportunity. Here, you can also take paid surveys and complete offers for quick and easy income. There's also influencer marketing jobs and gig jobs. One more less talked about section of this platform that can earn you a ton of money is the referral program. If you have a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok account, you can share this platform with your friends or even strangers and receive a 5% referral fee if they sign up. Basically, you would be getting paid a commission for whatever simple work they complete. If you don't want to rely on commissions or referrals, however, you can always just do the work yourself. The more referrals you get over time, the more they will grow and stack up your earnings. Remember, you must complete the tasks on this website in order to be paid by the employer. Over on this tab labeled Freelance and Earn, you can see a constantly updating list of latest completed tasks, as well as latest requested withdrawals. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on. Scrolling down the list, you can see the different users coming from different countries that are making some really nice earnings from here. There are people from Nigeria, Saudi Arabia, the United States, India, and over 100 other different countries. As for the payout methods, some of them as seen here include AirTM, Litecoin, PayPal, and Skrill. To get started on Sprout Gigs, click on the green button labeled Sign Up at the top right. Here, you would input your name, email address, password, nickname, and country. Select I'm a worker, agree to the Sprout Gigs terms of service and privacy policy, and then sign up. The second website we would be looking at today to earn $270 again and again is called Earnably. This particular platform operates on a reward point system, so once you've accumulated enough points, you can cash them out for real money. Earnably is a popularly chosen platform to earn digital rewards and gift cards very easily. A bit similar to Sprout Gigs, on Earnably, you can also accumulate these points that you would cash out for cash and gift cards by completing tasks, watching videos, and taking surveys. A quick lookup on Trustpilot shows that the public of over 1,200 people have rated Earnably excellently. A whopping 83% of its users gave it a perfect 5 stars, which must mean there's something really great about this one. Back to Earnably.com, we see a breakdown of potential points you can generate from completing some of these simple tasks in just minutes. In 5 minutes, say watching a video on Earnably, you would earn up to 23 points. In that same 5 minutes taking a survey, you can earn up to 58 points. 4 minutes of completing simple tasks can earn 80 points. Currently, 1,000 points are equivalent to $1 at the time of recording this video. I'll show you a little trick to earn 10,000 points in a single day that no one else might be aware of. So just keep watching. Some available gift card cash-out options on Earnably include PayPal, Amazon, Facebook, Best Buy, and lots more. To sign up to this site, scroll to the top and tap on the Sign Up button. On this page, you would be prompted to fill in your email address, username, and password. Following this, you would select your country from a drop-down of various available countries and input your phone number. Once you're done with that, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and hit Sign Up. Now here's that little bonus feature for you that would earn you another couple thousand points every day. If you're browsing from outside the United States, all you have to do is download a VPN extension on Google Chrome. I would explain what this in a bit. Firstly, head over to the Chrome extensions store at chrome.google.com. In the top left bar of this page, search for the term VPN. You can choose any one you want, but for the purpose of this video, let's go with this one called Touch VPN. Click on it, and on this page, click on Add to Chrome. While this is downloading, a VPN is basically a software that allows you to make use of the network identity of another IP address somewhere else in the world. So it can help you surf the internet as a user in England, for example, while you are in Kenya. So what are we using this Touch VPN for? For one, this will enable you to sign up to sites like Earnably if you're facing any restriction. As I'm sure many of you know, many websites out there are blocked in your country, so this extension or any other substitute would be a great solution for that. Another reason for this VPN is to increase overall earnings. Assuming you've completed all the tasks, watched all the videos, and filled in all the surveys available in your area, you can simply use the VPN to change location to another part of the world and instantly get new offers. You can do this by clicking on the icon in the tab above. Tap on the Best Choice option and select any country of your choice. And then click on Connect and refresh the page,